Hey guys, Mr. J49 here, and I am back with another kind of sort of redstone creation. This isn't really it. Wait, yes it is. So basically, it's just a doorbell system. I made one over there and I made one here. I like this one better but anyways, classic inverter right here. That leads here. First jukebox, and then a repeater with a delay of 1, I think that's how you say it. Then another jukebox here. No, a note block. Oh my god. And then a redstone repeater with a delay of 2. Another note block. A redstone repeater with a delay of 3. Another note block. And then 0, 1, 2, 3 delay. Then it comes up here and opens this door. So if I turn up, it's all the way up. So turn it off first. Door closed, and then this one I did the same thing pretty much, but I put the door right here. So turn it off. Change that. See if that sounds cool. Turn it off. Sounds just like my old one, but different pitch. But let's delay this to. Let's see. Okay, so I think there's gonna be some people out there wondering, well, what happens if you don't use any repeaters? What happens is this. And then it doesn't reach this door. So yeah, that's why you need repeaters. So I think the signal ends right here. That's one way to do it too. See? Now you just don't have that same music. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So then. So yeah, now I'll first of all set daytime, and I'll make one of these from scratch, hopefully make it a little bit better. So starts out, I only really use inverters because that's like the simplest one. And yeah, okay, so this is gonna have like, it's gonna be like your entrance to the house, just say it is. It's not really going to. Turn it off. So you bring it down to the ground. No block. Do whatever. And you take a repeater, put a delay of 1. You just right click on it and it delays itself. 1, 2. Nope. there. Then another repeater, delay of 2 this time. Then 1, 2, another one, no block. And then you get another repeater, 1, 2, 3. And then so then what I like to do, I like to go 1, 2, 3. And you just bring it around. And if you want to disguise it, just say you can make a hallway. I see how this could work out. Oh, whatever. Just do that. I'm gonna put a repeater right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, and there you go. Just do whatever then. We can't do that. It might be a little exposed if you're like a person like me that likes to like have their redstone hidden. It's gonna be a little exposed, but so people can deal with it. So and then you can have a doorway right here. Just say that also opens. That one will close and then that one will too. So that's pretty cool. There, like, opens both doors. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.